Greek yogurt, often referred to as strained yogurt, is made by fermenting yogurt in tanks and then straining whey and other liquids during the final processing steps. The process results in a thicker product with higher protein content. Greek yogurt is high in many nutrients and a good source of protein, fat, and carbs, depending on the brand you choose. It's also a good source of calcium, phosphorus, zinc, pantothenic acid, vitamin A, and potassium. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains smaller amounts of nutrients like magnesium, choline, and copper. Greek yogurt will be higher in fat and calories than lower fat options, while sweetened and flavored options will be higher in carbs and added sugar. Bone health. Greek yogurt contains a number of nutrients that are necessary for maintaining the health of the skeletal system, including protein, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. A small study among young men found that consuming Greek yogurt daily, while participating in a resistance training program for 12 weeks, helped increase bone formation and decrease bone breakdown compared with a placebo. Gut health. Eating yogurt regularly may help support a healthy digestive system by increasing bacterial diversity in the guts of some people. However, the type of Greek yogurt consumed matters. Purchasing yogurt with alive and active cultures, LAC, seal, ensures that the yogurt contains a significant amount of beneficial bacteria or probiotics, which may help support gut health. Healthy body weight. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, and adding sources of protein such as dairy to meals and snacks is a smart way to help you feel satisfied between meals. However, remember that your overall diet and lifestyle matter most when it comes to reaching and maintaining healthy body weight. Greek yogurt is a type of yogurt that's high in protein and other nutrients like vitamin B12, calcium, and selenium. It's linked to a few health benefits, such as supporting muscle and bone health, and certain types may help contribute to a healthy gut.